from the ceiling.
Hey everybody, this is Zach Does All the Things. I have my mother here, and she's gonna show me, what are you gonna show me?
How to make a fried egg sandwich.
How to make your special fried egg.
My own fried egg sandwiches.
Okay. I've never made a fried egg before, so she's gonna walk me through the steps. What do we have?
We're gonna need a pan
Oh,
and some spray and some spices and the eggs and bread.
that's it?
Yes.
Okay. This is gonna go great. That's all I can say. Maybe you should make one while I make one, and we can see whose is better.
Oh, look at, we'll use this little pan.
Little pan, little pan, little pan, little pan. Okay, so we've got our pans. You're gonna make one. I'm gonna make one. Spatulas, eggs,
Bread.
bread. Bread. Don't forget the bread. Do you make these a lot?
Yep.
Okay. Step one. Step one.
Step one, let's spray some non-stick pan oil.
Great. Not sponsored.
Canola oil blend. into the
Amazing.
pan.
Okay, cool.
No, you do it.
Okay.
Very good. Very, oh gosh.
Ooh, so
Oh, geez.
much.
All right, then
I
we'll
hope
just.
this goes well.
Yes, I hope so too. And so you turn your burner on there halfway.
To what, 6? If it'll turn on? Awesome.
There you go. And here's your egg.
Amazing.
Take it.
Okay.
This here. Now crack your egg
Oh,
into
wow.
the pan.
This is high level stuff.
Oh, just made a
Oh no! It's okay.
Okay.
Number one rule in the Holden household is cleanliness.
We didn't wash our hands before we started.
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did.
So it's cooking.
So let's just turn it up a little bit.
Turn it up. Turn it up.
Let's put some pepper on there.
Pepper, pepper, pepper.
Pepper.
Pepper. Pep.
Some
Pep.
Lori's famous
Everything that we make in the Holden household has Lori's in it.
Lori's.
Lori's. Lori's. Lori's. Tell me how you say it in the comments.
They will.
I know.
Yeah, we're gonna watch the egg until it's pretty much white. Can you even see that? See that egg?
Mine's more spread out. I've done a poorer job.
The goal is that we want this egg to be white on almost all the way around while we leave the yolk the way it is at the moment.
Okay.
And then the dog comes.
That's our dog, Rosie.
Cooking. Maybe I want to turn it up a little bit. Oh, maybe not.
I'm already on 7.
I smell smoke.
You do?
Right.
Already? We're 2 minutes in.
So I'm kind of squishing it around there, make sure everything gets cooked up there. Mm-hmm.
Gotta
Not
get it
sticky.
free.
Yeah. Never cooked an egg before? Fried an egg?
I've never fried an egg before because I always give up. I'm like, I
Why?
break it and then I
Oh,
turn it into a scramble.
That's sad.
You raised a sad boy.
I'm sure that we've done a fried egg before.
I don't know if we have.
All right.
Yours is looking better.
Mine is looking better. Because I don't know why yours is not looking good. But yours is not. Maybe my heat's higher.
We're at the same.
There we go. Let's cook it. Well, now I'm going to flip mine. It's kind of ready.
But when you flip it, oh,
Ooh. See that?
that's nice.
Flipped it.
So the flipping is like you don't want to break the top.
Not yet. Don't break the top. And, oh my.
Trying to shimmy in there.
Flip. Oh, and
That's
then,
pretty. Look at
And
that.
then, you know, you got to, of course, add more.
Add more. Add more salt and pepper because this is Wisconsin. No.
Mr. Salt
Too much.
and Mr. Pepper and Mrs. Salt. Remember that? Blue's Clues.
Blue's Clues, yeah. I'm wearing this Steve-ish shirt.
You probably
or-
even know Steve.
I'm sure people know
Steve's
Steve.
from Blue's Clues. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure all my white is cooked up there because I like it, you know, not runny at all. Oh, that was hot. That's
So we don't want it runny at all, so we're just
No, I'm
letting
gonna
it go.
flip it one more time. I'm gonna just
Flipping
break
it around.
it.
Making like an egg burrito at this point.
I'm gonna just poke it.
Oh! Let me sneak a peek.
Then I'm gonna flip it again. Poke it.
Poke it, but I haven't flipped it.
Oh, flipped it? You didn't flip it yet?
I didn't flip it yet.
Flip it. Yes.
Ah!
We don't want to take a bite and have this egg yolk splash us in the face.
Got it.
Look at there. But I
So we're
did that-
flipping it back over?
Yeah, a couple times. I like it brown and cooked.
This is how you definitely avoid getting any type of disease, because you've cooked it into oblivion.
But it's not blackened, but it is yummy.
Movement, that's the key. Movement keeps it from burning.
I'm gonna turn mine off.
Ah!
Mine is done. Get that out of there.
Poke, 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 poke,
Unless
poke,
you
poke,
want to
poke.
take a bite and the yellow's all over your face, but I don't. Oh, that's gross. Don't.
You're gonna have an egg on your face.
Now turn your burner down, then put 2 pieces of toast in.
Oh, I want to put the 2 pieces of toast next to it.
Not
Quick,
in the,
open it.
No, you want to put the toast in the toaster, not in the.
Oh. Oops.
There you
I
go.
have skills, they're multiplying. We're here for you in this time of crisis.
We want you to have fun with eggs.
Fun with eggs. That's the title of this episode.
I think yours is done.
You think?
You could probably turn it off.
I have stopped looking at it, so that's what it. There it
I'm
is.
sure it's done. Turn it off. See if they can hear that. Put it up to the. Can you smell it?
Crackle, crackle. It farted a little. That's why we stopped. That looks kind of nice, actually.
It's beautiful.
It's a little circle. Yours is nice too.
Well, because I missed my flip, but you know that's how it goes.
We're not really here to talk about perfection.
It's not about fashion. It's about taste.
It's about when I put it in my face, do I enjoy it?
I think that toast is probably done.
Looks toasty.
Here, you can
can't see
give
it.
it to me and this plate, and I will give you 2 more, and we'll put those in. Okay, so
You're
the
so
next
helpful.
step is let's put some butter on there because butter's yummy.
Lord.
What we could do is make it a double egg, but then only one of us would get to eat it. Now you put your egg in there, or on my egg, whichever.
You do you.
I'm gonna do me. And there it is. You put it like that. And you can eat it whole, or you can cut it. You always gotta give the dog a piece because they're there.
She's overweight.
No.
The dog. Butter on both sides.
Would you just slide down there? Come
No,
on, man.
I want him to see it. I'm trying to hold it. Bloop.
Oh, wait, there's a good piece. Oh, that's dog.
Oh, hey.
That's.
There it is. There's a fried egg sandwich. Cut or open face, whatever you prefer.
Delicious.
Yeah. Quarantine is almost over, which means you'll get to see the outdoors soon, I think. For now, we've made a fried egg, and it's a good one. What do you think? How did you think mine went? Give it a rating.
I think your egg was better than my egg because you flipped it well.
Yeah.
But for your first egg, really good.
Good
Fun with
times.
eggs.
Fun with eggs.
And mom.
And mom. This has been Frying an Egg with my mom on Zach Does All the Things. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a little bit about cooking. Maybe not. But you know, take care of yourself, feed yourself, have fun. I'm not sure what the next thing I'm gonna do
Get
is.
outside.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna get outside. But there's more videos to come. Check out my other channel. And until next time, see you then.